global warming and climate crisis currently is the major issue aside from COVID-19. As we all know, one of the factors that contribute to our global climate change crisis is air pollution. That is one of the main causes. SDG or Sustainable Development Goals are a collection of 17 interlinked global goals designed to be a blueprint to achieve a better and more sustainable future for all. It was set up in 2015 by United Nations General Assembly and intended to be achieved by the year 2030. In this project, the most suitable goal is number 13, climate action. One of the reasons why this project is developed is to increase public awareness toward the hazards of air pollution, especially towards human health. Any mixed particles and gases which could harm toward our health, especially towards our respiratory system, is called polluted air. It can exist in both outside and indoor surroundings and contributes to higher disease risk to rising global temperature. Actually, there are 5 factors contributing to air pollution, which is mobile sources, which is the highest percentage, 82%, power stations, industrial fuel burnings, industrial production processes, domestic and commercial furnaces, and open burning and solid waste disposal sites. Firstly, one of the project significant that has been identified in this project is towards public user. Since this is a data visualization dashboard, it could give advantage towards the public community, especially for Malaysian citizens who live in Selangor. With the dashboard, they could observe the trends of the air pollution index itself and the readings of air pollutants as an indicator on why the index readings are changing constantly and daily. And also, one of the project scope is air pollution index dataset that involves is narrowed down to Selangor, Malaysia, because Selangor is the highest state that hold the record of moderate to worse air quality condition. Based on the data set obtained, one of the technique used is data analytic technique, which is involve big data. Basically, big data analytic or data analytic process is simple to understand even for non-technical people. The first one is identifying the problem, which means what kind of problem or the main issue that we want to try to solve. And then the second one is designing data requirement, what kind of data that we will deal with. For example, we have structured data, unstructured data, or semi-structured data. The third one is pre-processing data, which means we capture the data and then we use suitable programming language such as Python to do the data cleaning. The fourth process is performing analytics over the data, which means we find the trends or any statistic figures to view the data, and then finally we visualize the data using suitable or software, kind of software such as Microsoft Power BI or a Tableau to give information to the user. In this project, of course, there is a certain limitation when developing it. For example, in this project, there is a data inconsistency where the data set from Department of Environment Malaysia, it is found that the data from the month of July 2017 onwards is unavailable for all monitoring stations in Selangor. This is because the Environmental Department has changed new air monitoring devices, which causes the data fail to be recorded. For the project outcome, it is the most crucial part in the project development, and also it is exciting one for me. Why? This is because when I share this project in LinkedIn, more than 6,000 views or 6,000 people engage with my post, and also there are around 180 interaction posts to indicate that a lot of people in the industry interested with the project. In the other hand, I also distribute a survey form through Google Form to allow the public user to test the dashboard that has been developed and give their feedback if there is any improvement on and how to improve it. In the survey form, 15 respondents voluntarily tested my project, my dashboard, and it covers some sort of category when it is in the testing phase, such as the usability testing, the user interface, the easiness of the user to navigate throughout the dashboard, whether it is easy for them or difficult. And it also tested on the data understanding, whether the user understand the information conveyed from the dashboard, and the results are outstanding positive.